Well, 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 look at you, back for another monthly reset. I'm kidding, I don't know if I'll put that in. Hi, welcome back. Today we are resetting for March, and our little food thing that we're gonna do is a lemon coconut slice. So this one is no baking, super easy. I just went and bought a couple ingredients and yeah, let's get into it. So what you'll need is just 250 grams of these, which I think is a whole packet. Yeah. Just one packet of these milk arrowroot bickies, and these ones just get crushed up. 250 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 100 grams of salted butter. I bought this today and Ziggy was like digging around in the food and he bit into the butter. If you're new here, Ziggy is my new puppy and he just chews and eats everything. Need to use that up. You'll also need the zest and juice of 1 lemon and 85 grams of desiccated coconut. And for the frosting, you'll need about 300 grams of this icing sugar, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 60 grams of salted butter, and 1 extra tablespoon of the desiccated coconut. I basically get all my recipes off Pinterest, and this one just says, basically just line any container. Like, it doesn't have to be a baking pan because it's going straight in the fridge. It's like any container, baking pan. So these guys are using a 20 centimeter, 8-inch square baking tin, but I think I'm just gonna use what I've got. I might actually just use a baking tray and make it super, super thin. So every time we have a piece, it's only a really small amount. The recipe just says, place the sweetened condensed milk and butter in a bowl and heat it in the microwave till the butter is melted and mixed to combine. Then you add the crushed biscuits, the grated lemon zest, the lemon juice and the coconut, mix it all together. And then tip that base mixture into the tin or whatever you're using and just press it down nice and firm. Then in another small bowl, combine the icing sugar, the lemon juice and the softened butter. Mix well until thick and creamy with no lumps, and spread the frosting over the base, sprinkle with the extra coconut and pop it in the fridge. I think they say to leave it in the fridge for about an hour. How easy? Let's get into it. So I've never done this before, but the recipe says in their little notes that they blend up the biscuits. Blends up really quickly instead of bashing it with a rolling pin. Okay, update, that actually worked really well. I could only put maybe like a quarter of the biscuits in at a time. That saves so much time. That was so quick and easy with the NutriBullet. Now you can see this. I was trying to hide it just because it wasn't like food related, but I was a bit too lazy to put it away, you know? This is like my new earring organizer that I got. Irrelevant, don't mind me. I don't know about you guys, but I love sweetened condensed milk on its own. Obviously, if you're a kid and you're watching this, don't touch the edges of the can. I don't know if any kids are watching this. Probably not. This mug looks like a heart attack just waiting to happen. Lucky we don't make this every day. So while that's in the microwave, I'm just gonna zest the lemon and make sure to zest it first before you cut it and juice it, because then it's just so much harder if you do it the other way around. Also make sure when you're zesting the lemon, once you get to the white part, like pick another different part of the lemon, because if you get too much of the white, I think it's called pith, if you get too much of that in it, then it starts to taste bitter. The butter and the condensed milk has all combined and melted into each other. Looking at this, I probably should have picked a bigger bowl. You live and you learn. We could do this part of the monthly reset while we wait for our little slice to set, and then we can try it at the end. I know I say this every month, but how is it about to be March of 2024? I feel like the 1st of January was like 4 days ago. But equally, I have done so many cool things this year that it should feel like December. I don't know. I feel like it's like that kind of weird time in the year, you know? Anyway, let's get my Notion up. Okay, so you can see my Notion at the moment. I just have like a little list of all of these things, and then I have a brain dump where I put everything in there, like my grocery lists, just my entire brain dump. Whenever I think of something, if I want to put a little workout down or I saw a cute video of something I want to do, I copy the link and I just chuck it in the brain dump. And that's getting so chaotic that I'm thinking about making a brain dump too, but that's not how Notion is supposed to work. So I really just need to focus on making it look like this. So this is my habits section, which we'll be in today. And everything sort of just has its place, you know? Anyway, so we'll start off with the monthly goals. So we've got, I wanted to do 5,000 steps 5 times. Look, I thought because I was going to be on holidays, I would hit that easily, but I was in a car for like 40 hours in total when I was on my little trip, and like I was on a plane getting to and from all of these places, so I didn't actually walk all that much. So I'm not actually sure if I'm going to hit this today. So on the 9th of Feb, I did 6,000 steps. On the 10th of Feb, I did 19,000 steps. What was the 10th of Feb? Oh, that was when we had to walk home from the Pink concert. That took hours. Okay, that's fair enough. I did 5,000 on the 14th of Feb. 8,000 on the 16th of Feb. That was Taylor Swift. Oh my God, that was amazing. Oh yeah, 5,000 on the 17th of Feb. I just hit that. I did 5. I hit the goal. That's good. Have the best time. That was a personal goal. I knew I would. I cannot believe how incredible that time was. I don't know, I just loved it. Upload 4 videos. Yep, I've done that. Now, my subscriber goal. Let's talk about it. I haven't gained any subscribers, maybe 3. So since that China video blew up and it got me over the milestone where I could apply for the YouTube ad revenue, and it basically just, it blew up my channel a little bit, and like I'm so grateful for that, but it blew up on a video that was a niche that I don't consistently post in. So I think a lot of people that had originally subscribed to me, they're kind of feeding out. So what I mean by that is, like, they initially subscribed because they loved the video, which I was so grateful for because it got me over that hill that I needed to like continue further in my YouTube career. And these people that had subscribed, they subscribed because of that one video, and that was a one-off for my channel. So for the past couple of months, it's been going like down, up a few, down a few, up a few, down a few. So I think they're just feeding out. And a lot of people are unsubscribing because I don't post that regularly on my channel. And then some other people are subscribing because they like my content and not because of the China video. So if you're an outsider and you're looking at the numbers, it would look like, oh my God, she's just not doing well anymore. Like she's just dropped off. But I don't know how to say this, like the numbers aren't showing the growth, but I've had more emails this month between like collaborations and brands and things like that than I have for the last 3 years. So I feel like it's progressing the career, but I don't know, I feel like it's progressing behind the scenes, but it's not progressing in the form of subscriber count, which is really bizarre. Like I thought it was just going to keep going up and up and up. Like I didn't realize, like, I don't know, I think the algorithm is a bit funny at the moment. I don't know. Anyway, the amount of subscribers I have at the moment compared to my goal is laughable. So last month I had 1,260 subscribers and the goal is 1,350. And I now have 1,262. So I've gone up 2 people, which if you're one of the 2 people, hello, welcome. But yeah, I just find that so bizarre. So I cannot tick that off. I'll have to strike through that one. So I've just realized that I forgot to set the monthly goals for March. So I'm just going to quickly run you through them. I'm going to set a goal for 5,000 steps 5 times as per usual. I want to visit 2 new cafes or restaurants and just explore the town a little bit more. I want to finish my book that I'm currently reading, In a Jam by Kate Canterbury. I want to complete all of the home workouts that Rowan sets for us because he just got a new home gym set up that I'm using as well. For YouTube, I want to upload 4 videos. I want to get to 1,270 subscribers. I want to secure 1 new brand deal. And for Instagram, I just want to keep going with my reels, posting 31 reels, 1 per day. And I also love this. I say it every single month, but have fun with it and remember that 1 or many missed days is okay. You are only human. If you want to grab this template, it's always in the link in my description. It's just by Fauna on Etsy. Such a good template. Anyway, back to the video. So yeah, down here it says subscribers 1260, and then I'll just put 1262. So that's kind of crazy. I definitely wasn't expecting that. So I've got 7,233 watch hours. So this is my whole channel since it begun. It's just going up. I didn't get 7,000 individually last month and then another 7,000 this month. Like, it's a gradual thing. And for the views, we have 154,049. That's still such a wild number. Oh no, I didn't mean to add that. That's such a wild number. 154,000 is the amount of times that my videos have been clicked on and watched for a minimum of 30 seconds. That's wild. And so compared to last year, like, the jump has definitely decreased. So specifically between September and October, the views jumped 45,000. Whereas between these 2 months, it's jumped 3,000. It's kind of cool to see a video like, it's kind of really cool to see a video do as well as my China video did. Like, as it was going up and up and up, I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe I just got like over 400 subscribers in a month. Like, that's unheard of for me. But in doing that, I think it's now going to slow down the process in the future. So it's kind of, yeah, I don't know how to feel about it. I'm not overly happy with it, but that video did push me over the line to then be able to start like being a part of the YouTube partner program, which is just really, really cool. Like, I didn't think I'd get there. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the next couple of months hold. Maybe by December we'll have 1,270 subscribers, but we'll see. It wasn't the growth I was expecting, but it's definitely cool to see. I'm glad that I'm tracking it, so you can really see the trends and, you know, what happened in each month sort of thing. Down to my goals. I haven't done anything towards any of these goals because if you've watched in my last couple of videos, I have spoken briefly about this really big thing that Rowan and I are doing, this huge change that is, like, we're in the process of it at the moment, so nothing is confirmed yet, but that's taking up all of our time and our energy. And so I don't even know if I'll get to create this puzzle by the end of the year. I was so set on creating my own puzzle and having it out into the world by December, but it's pretty much the start of March. Like, it's a couple days away from the end of February, and I don't think this puzzle is gonna happen. But we'll see. We'll see. This thing here is quite cool as well. We are 16% through the year, 93% through the month because I'm almost at the end of February, and we are 22% through the week because I'm filming this on a Tuesday. And we all know I'm a song repeater, so like my Spotify is always linked in the description down below, but I'm just listening to my on repeat playlist, which is Pretty Girls by Renee Rapp, Oklahoma Smoke Show by Zach Bryan, Fictional by Chloe Rose, Turbulence by Pink, Long Live Taylor's Version by obviously the one and only Taylor Swift, and just, yeah, actually I'll screen record my phone right now. Do a little scroll of what's on my on repeat playlist right now. I've been listening to a lot of Lani, I don't know how to say it, but this album is really, really good. It's called A Beautiful Liar. Yeah, that's my on repeat playlist. Let's go try this slice. I am so excited for this. Also, I didn't even mention that's Ziggy's little cage in the background. So whenever I'm not like actively paying attention to him in the house, he has to be in the cage because he's weeing everywhere. Or if he's up on the couch sleeping, like he doesn't wee on the couch, which is great. But yeah, having a puppy is just, it's a lot of attention that you can't give to other things. I think he's scratching at the door. Oh my God, I didn't realize I left the cupboard open this much when I went to get some ingredients out for this little slice that we've just made. And Ziggy has like pushed his nose through it. He's crawling through the bottom of the main cupboard, which is where his dog food is. And he's trying to like bite through it. Imagine if he had have gotten into the dog food, he would have been so sick. Oh, he's the craziest little kid. Anyway, let's try this slice. All right, so that's the ratio. I probably could have done it a little bit thicker with the frosting on top. Cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God, yum. Oh my God, if you're gonna bake anything that I've mentioned in all my monthly resets, make this. It'll probably be so much better once it's set properly as well. Oh my God, this is going to be dangerous to have in the house. Thank you so much for watching another monthly reset, or if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Well, we've clearly seen today that I need a little help in the subscriber department. So yeah, if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.